A good woodworking pencil is essential for any woodworker, whether you're a beginner or a pro. It needs to be durable, accurate, and easy to use. But with so many different pencils on the market, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. That's where we come in. In this video, we'll review the top 5 woodworking pencils and help you choose the best one for your needs. So, if you're ready to learn more about the best pencils for woodworking, let's get started. Number 1. Pica 0071650000 Automatic Pencil. The Pica automatic pencil is made with high-quality materials and is built to last. It can withstand even the toughest job sites. This pencil can be used on a variety of surfaces, including wood, metal, plastic, and glass. It's also water-resistant and can be used in wet conditions. The Pica automatic pencil has a push-button mechanism that makes it easy to advance the lead. Number 2. Swanson Tool CP216 Refillable Pencil. The Swanson Tool CP216 refillable pencil is refillable with standard 0.7mm lead. This means you'll never have to worry about running out of lead again. The pencil is made from durable materials that can withstand the rigors of everyday use. It has a flat design that prevents it from rolling away, and it comes with a handy pocket clip. The pencil's tip is consistently sharp even after heavy use. Number 3. PENTEL P209 BP2K6 Sharp Woodworking Pencil. With a 4mm fixed sleeve, it's perfect for template work and technical drawings, giving you the control you need for those intricate projects. The metallic mesh grip provides excellent precision and control, making it easy to draw straight lines and accurate measurements. The 0.9mm lead produces crisp, bold lines that are easy to see on wood and other materials. The pencil is well made and durable, with a metal body that can withstand even the toughest job sites. Number 4. IRWIN 66400 Carpenter Pencil Set. The broad lead of the IRWIN 66400 Carpenter Pencil Set makes it easy to mark both fine and coarse lines on a variety of surfaces. The oval shape of the pencil prevents it from rolling away, even on uneven surfaces. The pencil set is made from durable materials that can withstand the rigors of everyday use. It can be used to mark a variety of surfaces, including wood, metal, plastic, and concrete. Number 5. Hiboom Solid Carpenter Pencil Set. The pencil has an extended and needle nose tip that can reach into hard-to-reach areas, such as through holes and tight spaces. The pencil has a built-in sharpener that ensures you always have a sharp tip. It is mechanical, which means you don't have to worry about sharpening it yourself. It can be marked on a variety of surfaces, including metal, plastic, glass, wood, and paper. The pencil is made from high-quality materials and is designed to be strong and durable. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has helped you choose the best woodworking pencil for your needs. Remember, the best pencil for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. But no matter which pencil you choose, make sure to keep it sharp and use it correctly to get the best results. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and tricks.